On today's video, I am going to show you how to add another user to an existing user in the PC. So we go through a control panel, type control panel, then you click on it, then go to user's account, then you go through user's account again, then you will see manage another account. You click on it, then add a new user's in PC settings. You click on it, then you will see add someone else to this PC. You click on it, then you say email or phone number. You will say I don't have this person sign in information, so we click on it. Then add a user without a Microsoft account. You click on it, and then put the person's name, the name you want to display on the screen. So we will write inventory 2 /2. Then we're going to put the password. The password is, then you confirm, retype the password. Then you go to security question. In case you forgot your password, this security question, what is your best pet name? You click on it. I'm going to write it here. I'm going to second one. It's a second security question. Click on it. You give answer. Then the third one, you click on it and provide the answer to. Then you click next. You can see the account here, it has been created. So what we do is to close this interface and close this, and window F. You lock the window. By the time you go back, you will see the account here. This is the account. So we're going to click on that account, and then this is the new account. So we're going to add impute the password. To put the right password. You see that the account or the window has been opened. It's going to take some time, but it will load. This might take several minutes, so do not turn off your computer. It will load. So this is how to add another user to a PC. So if you want me to do anything, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section so that we can make a video of anything in Confucius that you want us to